The second type of common function we'll look at is f of x is equal to a over x to the n. Note here that we have a variable in the denominator, which tells us there's going to be restrictions on the domain because remember, the denominator can't equal 0. These graphs, because of that denominator issue, are going to have asymptotes, or areas where the graph does not exist. For an example of what these are going to look like, let's consider something like a over x to the third. What our steps here tell us is the a value tells the right hand to go to the top or to the bottom. If a is positive, the right hand's going to be on top. So in this case, my right hand's going to be on top. These look a little different. They're going to take this sort of shape. And then the n value right here tells us what the left hand will do. If the n value is even, the right and left hand will match. If the n value is odd, the left hand will be opposite. So in this case, the left hand is going to go opposite of the right hand, so it will be going down. Another example, if we had something like a over x to the fourth, again, our a value is positive, so our right hand would be up, and the n value is even, so our left hand will also be up. As a third example of what these graphs of f of x equals a over x to the n, if we had negative a over x to the 8th, what that tells us is the right hand's going to be in the bottom part or going down on the graph, and because n is even, the left hand will also go down.